Hare Krishna, Sada Pranam, Radhe Radhe. A very warm welcome to the day 54 of my YouTube channel, Dental Tips. Today's topic of discussion, today we're going to discuss in brief about Dentogel gum paint. So this Dentogel gum paint is prescribed in various scenarios by the dental practitioner to the subject. What are those scenarios? It could be in the case of painful oral ulcers, मुंह में छालों का हो जाना, on our lips, inner surface of the lips. It could be on the palate of the oral cavity, तालू पे छाले हो जाने. It could be in the case of oral ulcers in the gingiva, मसूड़ों में छाले हो जाने. Or it could be in the case of throat also, in the throat region, oral ulcers are formed. So these painful oral ulcers, they cause pain when the subject takes some food or some liquid diet. So in those cases, this Dentogel gum paint is prescribed by the dental practitioner to the subject. This gum paint could be prescribed in case of gingivitis, painful bleeding swollen gums. मसूड़े सूज गए हैं, उनमें से खून निकल रहा है, बहुत दर्द हो रही है, उस केस में भी ये प्रिस्क्राइब किया जाता है. And it could be prescribed in case of irritation to the gums by some orthodontic procedure like braces placement, and it could be irritation to the gums by placement of dentures. In that scenario also, this Dentogel gum paint is prescribed by the dental practitioner to the subject. Now, how it works? Basically, this Dentogel gum paint has two constituents, two main constituents, choline salicylate and lidocaine. Now, this choline salicylate, it's a NSAID, that is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Now, this non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, it blocks the prostaglandin release, which are chemical messengers. They are blocked, chemical messengers from the brain, they are blocked. Now, when these prostaglandins are blocked, the signs of inflammation are relieved. What are the signs of inflammation? Rubor, redness, tumor, swelling, dolor, pain, and calor, heat production, functionalesia, loss of function. So these signs of inflammation are relieved when the prostaglandins are blocked. Now, another component of this Dentogel gum paint is lidocaine. Now, this lidocaine is a local anesthetic. How this acts? It's a local anesthetic. It relieves the pain. How it acts? The nerves, they do not convey the pain signals to the brain because that pain signal from the nerves to the brain is blocked by this lidocaine. So in this case, in this particular scenario, pain is also relieved. So now this Dentogel gum paint, usually it has no side effects, but in some instances there may be side effects, like there may be itching, there may be rashes, and so in those scenarios the usage has to be stopped by consulting the dental practitioner. That's all for today. Thank you many folds for watching my YouTube channel. Jai Shri Krishna.